Turn this on. Okay, we got it going now.
It's only got 4,000 miles on it. Leather interior. The motor was built in California from the world's fastest flatheads. Got a 9-inch Ford under it, and it built it old school.
Sweet. Now you live up in Whitehall, and now you're thinking about selling it, huh?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, motor sounds really good in this.
Henry Ford steel.
Henry, for all steel body. All steel body.
Here you go.
Oh yeah.
I want to plug some strawberries this summer.
Oh, you will.
Park those.
You will.
You just finish it?
No.
Just don't drive it?
I just moved here.
Oh, okay.
I'm from Jenison, Michigan.
Oh, okay. So you've had it for a long time?
No. All new glass, all new weather stripping. Everything's new. The whole car's new, and I got a suitcase full of receipts.
That's good, man. These are real popular.